Okay, let's press, see it says settings, and it's telling you to hit these two buttons. Later on, we'll do a video about regen, and you'll hit these two buttons. But for now, we need to hit the installer. We need to get to the installer to get that gallon thing right. All right, so press up and down real quick. And then it's giving you some options. We do not want the salt alert. We do not run a reset. We do not want diagnostic. We do not want to change the password. We do not want OEM. We want installer. Hit the check mark. Units US. Good. No problem there. Down. Maintenance off. Yes. Leave it off. That's something your dealer might hit. Resin volume 1 cubic foot. Okay. Default when you first turn online time, a lot of times is 1.25, but 1 cubic foot is good for a 9x48. Go down. This is the medium salt dosage, 8 pounds. You can tweak it up and down a little bit if you really want to by activating that. Then you can change the numbers. But what we're here for, meter delay. If it's a metered system, that's what you're going to see. If it's time clock, you might see time clock or time clock day of the week. This is a metered valve, so I'm leaving it there. You do not want metered immediate, because that would immediately start running in the day while you're using water. So meter delay. All right. Day override, you can go off or you can go up to 30. You could go once a week. If it's a metered system, 30 days or off. Yeah, let's just turn it off. What else we got? Oh, there's our grain capacity. That's pre-calculated based on the cubic foot we entered before, so you do not want to mess with that. Here is the key. Reserve type. Fixed volume should never be used on a residential system because it only gives you reserve volumes of 3,000, 2,000, 1,000, or up to 300,000. It's crazy. Press the check mark. Change that to either a fixed percentage or variable reserve. This will calculate it based on actual water usage. But if you use too much water in one day, it could cause it to regenerate a little too often until it recalculated based on normal usage. I like using a fixed percentage. But like I said, there's a couple ways you can do this. But a fixed percentage, then you can put in the percentage. It starts at 20%. That sounds like a good safety factor for most people. And you can change it by hitting the check mark. You can go up or down, hitting the check mark. And we're back where we started, units of measurements. Maintenance off. That's all the stuff in the installer menu. And the key is this reserve type cannot be fixed volume. Fixed volume will make the whole thing not work right. And I don't know why they're coming this way. Maybe they'll change that in the future. Or maybe they're just making it so a dealer has to do the programming. I don't know. All right, let's see. Back arrow? Yeah, how about back arrow again? There we go. Now we have volume to regenerate, 659. And we have no flow going through the system. And it'll just toggle between the time, the date, and whatever model valve you programmed into this. And then as you use water, it will tell you how many gallons left until the next regeneration.